If your Samsung TV is suddenly stuck on a blue screen, it can feel like everything just stopped working. And the good news is that about 90% of people fix it at home with a few simple steps. So let's jump straight into what you can do. First, start with the easiest fix. Power cycling the TV. Turn the TV off, unplug it from the wall, and leave it disconnected for about 10 seconds. This clears out temporary glitches and software errors that often cause the blue screen. Then plug it back in and power it on to see if it comes back to life. If it doesn't, try a soft reset using your remote. Just press and hold the power button for around 10 to 15 seconds. This forces the TV to reboot and is slightly stronger than a normal restart. Next, let's check your external connections, because loose or faulty cables cause this more often than you'd think. Make sure your HDMI cables are firmly connected and not damaged. Try switching to a different HDMI port or using a different cable altogether. If the blue screen is still there, unplug every external device, your cable box, gaming console, streaming stick, everything. Turn the TV on with nothing connected. If the blue screen disappears, reconnect your devices one by one until you find the one causing the issue. And don't forget USB drives. Remove those too, because they can cause software conflicts. If your TV is still stuck and you can't open the settings, you can actually update the TV's firmware using a USB drive. Just head over to Samsung's official website on your computer, download the latest firmware for your TV model, put it on a USB drive, and plug that USB into your TV. When you turn it on, the TV should detect the update automatically and start installing it. This can fix deeper software problems that keep the screen blue. On many Samsung models, you can also perform a hard reset without even opening the menu. Unplug the TV, wait 60 seconds, and then press and hold the power buttons on the TV itself, not the remote, for about 15 to 20 seconds. Plug back the TV and turn on. This triggers a factory reset. If you have an older Samsung TV, look for a tiny physical reset button on the back or side of the TV. Hold that for 10 to 20 seconds, and the TV should reset. Now, if your TV turns on, but the screen has a heavy blue tint, that's a different situation. Grab a flashlight and shine it at the screen at an angle. If you can see a faint picture behind the blue glow, that usually means the backlight is failing. Unfortunately, that's not a DIY fix. You'll need a technician to repair or replace the backlight. And that's the full guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.